Do you like crackers?
What? Can I have a cracker?
I
I don't want one that you. That you.
Yeah, come here, right. No.
Yeah, fuck you too.
Guys, I found a dog over here. I found a dog. Okay, cool. This dude says not rabies.
Go.
What happened? I don't know.
Wait, stop right there. Hello, it's me, Mr. Thompson. I'm a National Geographer. And you guys need any help?
Fuck yeah.
Ooh, damn, you got a bite on your...
Kill someone. Yeah, we got to kill someone. Yeah. A dog.
Alright, so, anyways, you guys need any help?
Yeah.
Ooh, you need to get healed. Here, come over by my place. Chapter 1, The Lost Dog. Austin
Yeah.
is our hero. Hero number 2, Nehemiah.
Specialist.
Hero number 3, Kali.
The specialist.
And last, National Geographer. Welcome to The Lost Puppy, Chapter 1, The Wild Dog.
What was that?
Yeah, what was that? Oh, basically that was a national wild puppy. That dog is discovered the most dangerous dog ever.
This shit. Let's go back to our
It's
base.
okay. We're all scared. We're all scared.
Go back to our base.
No, not just yet.
I think that we should hide before that dog comes to us.
Well, that dog is crazy. All right, guys, we're headed back to the place. All right, back to the base right now. All right, what was that? A scream. Whoa, what happened?
Are you okay?
He has a bite mark on his arm. I told you this was the most dangerous animal in the world.
He's still breathing. He's just unconscious.
He's unconscious. Come on, take him to the heavy carrier. We need to heal him right now. And you too. Because I heard that this dog, as long as it heals for 20 hours, you'll be dead in a day. So come on, hurry up. Come on, let's go. We need to heal him right now. Come on, freshly glass will help. Don't stand there and look at me. Come on, come help.
I'm giving a vaccine shot. Because the vaccine shot will clear your rabies out so it won't die.
Yeah. All right.
There.
So, all right, he should be healed. In about 3, 2, 1. Whoa, good job. Alright, he's awake. So, he's out of his unconscious.
The dog is close. I hear it barking.
Should we go? We need to find out. Here, I got an idea. We need to hunt this thing down. Guys, grab everything you need.
I get the dog. You have someone.
2 hours later, after grabbing all of our equipment.
Split up now.
Alright, we'll split it, guys. We need to find this dog right now. There's no way we can doubt this one right now. Alright, split up. Look. Alright, so look. Kali and Nehemiah, you split up. Me and Austin go together. Or do you want to do a full split?
I'm with Austin.
Alright, so let's go. Let's split. God. Do you think that's the
Dog?
Yeah.
Probably.
Let's find out. Alright. So, nothing so far yet. I don't see nothing. I don't see nothing. Did you get the dog and the centimeter? So where are we gonna go? Hey, look, I got a shelter that we can get some drinks. You wanna come with me? Yeah. Alright, let's go. This is my shelter. Look. Welcome to my shelter. These are all my people's lands. So, we need to find the part where we and them go. So, I got a shelter all the way over there that we can follow.
Come on.
Come on, let's go. This dog, how did it end up here? I mean, do you read the biological books?
No, wait, think back. Think back. Piranhas.
Last time my friend got attacked by piranhas, his nuts got ripped off. It's really sad. But then he died. That's a signal. That's a signal.
Go.
Alright, guys. We split up. You guys split up, alright? Kali, come back with me. We need to find this dog. No, this way. This way over here.
That way.
You heard that?
Yeah, come on.
We need to go. Can't handle this dog no more. I can't handle this dog any longer.
Come on,
Alright, so, Kali, we're gonna have to have. So, I go this way, you go that way. Alright, let's go. That thing better not have puppies, because if it does, this is gonna be the end of life. I'm telling you, man. I'm telling you. Please give me this. Woof, 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 woof. Oh my god. Can't handle this dog no more. Woof, 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 woof. Aw, aren't you just a little fella? Gotta get out of here. Gotta get out of here. Gotta get out of here. I think a pair of us. Oh my god. 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 Woof, woof, woof. I need to run. I need to run. I need to run. I need to run. Oh my god. 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 Oh, that was so close. I thought the dog would get me. The dog would get me. The jungle of paradise. This is where it ends. God, where are my friends? Where are my friends? Where are my friends? Sit down. Sit down. It's not working. It's no use. Telling me to spawn back. Guess I'll just have to die on my own. There's no choice. It's my signal, friends. It's no use. I thought my friends just called me, but I guess they didn't, so what do I do now? What do I do? What do I do? Woof, 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 woof. Oh my god, this dog's supposed to stop. Holy shit, better get out of here. Signal my friends. I already looked through there, but the dog's not in there. 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 Come on, come on. Where's that dog? Where's that dog? Woof, woof, woof. Oh, there he is. There he is. Hey, little guy. Ah, my. Woof, 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 woof. No, get off me. I gotta run. Run. Oh my god. The vent is empty. Oh god. Thank God. Thank you, God. Shit. I almost died. I almost fucking died out there. Shit. Guess they're really the end of life for me. I think I need to talk about it. Shit. I'll go look for Kali. What do I do now? Is that my friend? Kali! Mr. Kali! Kali! Oh my god. Thank God. Kali. I wish they were here.
I know. Come on, let's go.
Guys, Austin! Nehemiah Thompson! What are you guys doing here? Sorry. Hold on. Where's Nehemiah?
Oh, I see Nehemiah.
Woof. Ooh, dang. Oh, shit. Oh! Austin! Run! He's dead. What do we do? We got dead people. No, it's not gonna hit. No, we can't do this. We can't do this to the dog. And he ran off. Yep, he ran off.
Yep. Just fix.
Oh, dang it. They're dead. 2 people dead. It's just us 2. But can we make this out alive? I don't know. We'll find out.
Gotcha.
I can't believe they died.
2 people at the same time.
Yes.
But
Well, not at the same time, like 30 seconds after that. I can't basically just imagine that.
I know, but what happened to the dog? I hit it with the scooter.
I just want to cry right now. They just died.
Man,
Well,
I'm gonna
now?
slap that cry out of you.
Kali, watch out! Kali, it's me, Havani. It's me, Havani. Kali, it's me.
Huh?
It's me. Don't worry. It's okay, Kali. No! No, 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 no. Bad boy, bad boy, bad boy. End of chapter 1.